How to reset Facebook settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to reset the Facebook settings, what you can simply do is tap on the settings application on your device. Next, you just have to scroll down to find the option of apps over here. As you tap on apps, tap on manage apps, and here on the search bar you can search for Facebook application over here. As you search for Facebook application over here on the search bar, you will be able to see the application. So just tap on it, and here you can see at the bottom of the screen the option of clear data. So tap on clear data, and all you have to do is clear cache and tap on OK. Next, go to the storage option and then tap on clear data and just clear all the data over here. You can uninstall the application and then reinstall, and it will also reset the Facebook settings to default. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.